just down here, there is another lovely little chiffchaff. Just there. It's lined, no eggs just yet, but ready to go. Watched this one about a week ago building from the car. Stunning. Beautiful little nest that. Right, well, I've come away, I'll let her go. She's just tucked down there, look. Stunning. Here's our little flash of blue as I looked around that got me. And that nest you can see just through there. And that nest is just there. A lovely little Dunnocks nest. Cracker little nest, weights built in there. Absolutely beautiful. And get the camera over properly. Look at that. So, first one, absolutely stunning little nest. Very happy with that one. Well, this is a song thrush nest that was built in on top of an old blackbird's, and unfortunately this one, it's not made it, has been predated. Huge shame that, because it was such a lovely nest and the blackbirds here were successful, but not this time, unfortunately. Heartbreak of that. Ah well, I guess we'll move on, but yeah, I'm really disappointed with that one. Wow, that is amazing. I thought this was probably going to be a tree creeper coming in because it was behind like the broken bark, but actually, you see that there? That is a beautiful little wren's nest. Absolutely cracking. There ain't nobody getting into that. Stunning. Now this is the nest box we were hoping for a tree creeper in. Couple of eggs in there. They look like tree creepers, but either way, it's nice when you get these boxes used. It's a lovely little nest, very deep, and lined with feathers. And there's a couple of eggs in there. Beautiful. Come away. Have a look under this reptile mat, shall we? See what's here. Anything? Some feathers, which is weird. Some feathers and moss, which is interesting. Very interesting. We'll come away from that. Maybe something's trying to build a nest under there. Intriguing. Nothing else though. No reptiles. Right, another one of our boxes. Bird flew out on approach and she started to incubate on 7 eggs in total. Yeah, beautiful that. Horsehair lining. Cracking. Can you spot the nest down there? Absolute cracker camouflage. And just here there is a wren's nest. You can see, I'll get the camera underneath. See there, look, beautiful. Let's have a look inside, see how many eggs she's sat on. Well, the hunt for a blackcap isn't going quite as well, but the Dunnocks are out in full force, and this one's a really beautiful little nest just down there. Look at that, that is a beautiful little nest. Very well built, nicely lined. Nowhere near as mossy as normal. Absolutely gorgeous. I can hear the bird about in there. So I'm going to cover it back up and I'm going to get away. Absolutely beautiful. Stunner. Okay, we've got another beautiful little chiffchaff down here. Hidden away down there. I can see there's some eggs in there. How many she got? 6. Look at that beautiful little nest, that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that, absolutely stunning. Gorgeous little chiffy nest, that. Oh, I think there's 6 actually. Yeah, 6 eggs. Gorgeous. That needs to get covered back up. Oh yeah, beautiful little nest, that. I'd say you've got a black cap going in there. Just the beginnings of. Just there, look. So I'm going to get away as quick as I can because I don't want it to know that I know. Well, I don't think it's anywhere else around here. So yeah, we'll get away.